Friends, today it is 26th March 2022 and the time is 11:30 p.m. Okay, so now we are going to talk about weekly analysis of all the indices at a glance. Okay, it's a quick one. And before going that, I just want to talk about what we discussed on Nifty spot and Bank Nifty spot for last week and what happened. Just a glimpse. Okay, first thing first. Okay, so this is a weekly game changer number. Above 17,373 buy and below 17,287 sell. And 16,664 buy and 16,428 sell. No, hardly any difference actually. Okay, for a complete week. And wait for my game changer number on Monday at 9:17 because IPL T20 started and we are going to start our IPL T20 on 28th because that's the last trend change date. Anyway, I will discuss Nifty and Bank Nifty in a detailed review later. Okay, so this is the number. Okay, so now I'll go to the graph. And before that, we will go to the PPT and we will check what are the number we have given. Bank Nifty above 17,369 on 15 minutes closing basis targets and below 17,135. These are the targets, but Nifty is not worked in the sense it came down below 17,135, but it has not touched our first target because last 1 week Nifty was trading within a range and most probably this week it will bust in one side. Okay, but Bank Nifty, this is not taken out on a 1 hour closing basis. This is a weekly observation. Okay, and below this we achieved all the targets of 235 to 31 and 35 to 31 was the low of last week, and from there it bounced on Friday. Okay, let's go to the graph and see this. Okay, so where is the graph? Okay, yeah. Okay, so this is our weekly game changer number. This blue color dotted line, dashed line, not able to hold that for at least 1 hour. And this is our weekly number 36,576. That is also broken. And below this weekly number 36,428, the stop loss is nothing, hardly 200 points, hardly 200 points. And below, once it came below and went and touched again this number, our weekly bearish number, it gave all the targets, came exactly at our weekly last number, which is 35 to 31. 35 to 31. It came down yesterday on Friday, touched here and went above. So Bank Nifty was bang on last week from number to number. Okay, and coming to Nifty. Okay, so this is our this dash line is weekly number, bullish number, and this is weekly bearish number 17,287. Okay, it does not hold this number for 1 hour, and this happened on 23rd March. And after that, it came down again, went and touched so many times. It touched, that number 1, 2, 3, 4, but not able to sustain this bearish number and closed below. But Nifty was exactly sideways last week, so we are not able to make that kind of money on a weekly basis. But intraday, we made some good money out of it. On a weekly basis, because it was a complete sideways movement last week, so we are not able to make money out of this. And I've already prepared my weekly for next week. I'll do the second video after this. And now we will go and check out all the indices at a glance. And before going to that, this was the video which I made for all the indices at a glance last week. And here I mentioned this one actually I made on 12th. Now before this week, okay, for 14th week, and that time I've clearly mentioned 12th March is a very important date for cryptos, ETH and USD, and bang on low was 12th. Okay, you can go and check. So anyway, I'm going to show all that to you now. So let's go and watch all the indices at a glance. Okay, so first start from Dow Jones. Okay, so the breakout has happened and it exactly took from our weekly number, which was 32 to 38. That was a weekly bang on low. and the trend line also, channel trend line also was there, and from there it bounced, and now it is closed above the trend line. And okay, on the channel, upper side channel. Now this blue color line and red color line will face a lot of resistance here. Once it breaks, let's see, but it will face resistance here. Okay, so these two numbers, and if you want, these two numbers are okay, this is 35,125 and this is 35,492. Okay, and you can see the numbers here. You can see the numbers here. If you go and put the cursor, you can see the number here. And coming to S&P, bang on at our resistance. Let's see what happens today. And coming to Nasdaq, bang on. Okay, now this week is very, very challenging because we had a phenomenal date, which was a mega day, which is 21st March. And you know, our indices Nifty was struggling within the 21st March high and low, but these guys are closed above 21st March high. So something is cooking here. Let's watch, but it has to give a genuine buy signal, then only it is buy. Otherwise, again, it's a trap. Let's watch. Okay, and coming to ETH USD, if I go here, this was the March 12th, and from there again it moved up. Okay, so the now next important date is 28th March, and the next very important date is 3rd April. Until now, it is holding our mega date, which is 23rd Jan, which was my first video on crypto. Okay, whenever it came and touched this low, it will bounce. It will bounce, and that is what happened here. Let's watch, and the crucial number on daily to watch is 3332 and 3483 on ETH. And for BTC, it is 45362 and 46962, which is nothing but my daily, blue and red color. Last time it came all the way from here on 23rd. It made a bottom, went and touched my blue. If you can see this clearly, you can see this. Went and touched my blue, came down. Went and touched my blue, came down. Now it is here. And now this blue color line is coming inside the blue. So if it breaks, possibility of, once it breaks this and gives the genuine buy, possibility of very big move in BTH and ETC. Let's watch what is going to do this week. And coming to this man, I've already talked about 29th March. Watch this guy out. Let's see whether it is going to go and hit my red color and blue color and pink color and go into reverse, or it is going to move up from here. 29th March. Watch out for this guy. I've already covered this stock. No, I've given the date 20 days before. Okay, go and watch this guy. And coming to Dow Jones, DAX, nothing movement last week, but it has broken my system design, but there is no buy. So absolutely there is no buy here. And coming to CAC, nothing happening here, all stuck in my resistance level. This guy was doing well. The 22nd was a very important date after 14th, and it is overing here. Let's see, now it has to break these two level, and my target was 132. It went to 130 and started falling. Okay, you can go, I put a separate video on US oil. You can go and watch. I've already given all the date. And next important date, very important date to watch out is 19th April. 19th April. Okay, watch out for this guy on 19th April. Nikkei, this guy is doing something phenomenal. This guy is doing something phenomenal. Watch out for this guy. Okay, it has given a genuine buy call. Genuine buy signal is done. Let's see how it is going to plan out. Okay, and if I go to weekly, where the weekly is, yeah, maybe here it will face some resistance. Let's watch what this guy is going to do. Okay, on daily. Okay, so this is exactly a trap. It has given a buy, but the next candle is not closed above this candle. So it is a clear trap and it is coming down. The big day to watch out for this guy is 28th March. I've already mentioned 10 days before in my social media. So watch this date for now, Hang Seng on 28th March. It was a clear fake buy. Let's see how it reacts. And USD INR, so Euro INR, this one. So this line holds a support, which is 33.4523. Now I've designed a separate workings for how to find the top and the bottom for all the currencies. In case if you have any doubts on the currency trading, you can ask for the date. I will give you the exact date in which it will make a top or a bottom. Okay, and coming to Nifty, Exactly, it is stuck within our red color and blue color, and it is struggling. And let's see whether it is going to break out this side or this side. Whichever side it's going to break this time, it's going to be a big move in Nifty. Big move. Let's watch. And it is holding our 21st March high and low. Okay. And Bank Nifty is already close to below, and it went exactly touched my blue and started falling down. This happened last week. Okay. And auto struggling here, struggling here. It took the Ashirwad from Shakti, which was a pink color line, went. Now it is facing a lot of trouble in Brahma and Vishnu. Let's watch what is going to do this guy this week. Okay. Metals, no need to talk about this guy. This guy is awesome. Okay. So, and media credit goes to Z, and after that, everything followed, PVR, everything followed. So this guy is looking okay, but again, this is a fake buy as of now, because this candle has to close above this candle. This candle high is this one, and as of now, it is not closed above, it is closed to below. Let's see whether it is going to be a fake buy and it is going to drop fully to up to this level, or it is going to break out and go this way. Okay, so watch out for this guy, watch out for this guy, CNX media. And this guy, no need to talk about. I've already told you this will have a dumping a bank till this year, and this was the important day. Break below this low, it's not good. Only one guy is holding this ITC. Let's watch what is going to do. And something big is happening here. Again and again, I'm telling you, something big is happening here. It is already closed, went above the trend line, but closed little below it. And the important days to watch is 5th April. 5th April for pharma. Watch out for this guy. Something big is going to happen in pharma. And infra, bang on blue. Okay, IT went up, but this has to cross this level, which is 17,3006 on pitchfork. Okay. The next important date for this guy is 26th April. 26th April for CNX IT. Okay. And I'm really bullish on this guy. I'm really bullish on this guy. CNX PSE. Watch out, on most of the companies, it had TCD date this month, like GAIL, NTPC, many companies. Now I will give the dates on my webinar tomorrow. Sorry, anyway, you're not going at on because I'm going to put this video later only. But something is cooking big time here, so watch out. And all important, dates, high and low, is very, very small. So the stop loss is very limited, but something cooking big time in this guy. Okay, watch out for CNX PSU because the stop loss is very, very small in all the counters. Okay, and but till now it has not given a buy. Let's watch, because it is exactly went and touched the pitchfork median line and came down badly and went up. Let's watch how it is going to do. And absolutely nothing to talk about this guy, still bearish. This guy, let's see what happens. Commodity is doing well, and this was a buy, came down, and this was a fake sell. This was a fake sell, so it is still in buy only. It is not in it is, even though it is showing in red color, this is a fake sell, so it is still in green color only, and all the commodities are rocking. Okay, and coming to services, again blue and red. Nothing to talk about this guy. Banks need to go long way again. Okay, let's watch. But again, it has taken a support from Shakti this time. Let's watch what is going to do. Okay, and energy, this guy is really good, and the important date was 23rd February, and it is doing really good. Okay, and coming to gold, this is at the support on the daily, but if you go to weekly, it is at the resistance. And this is what I mentioned my followers, those who follow me on gold, and I said clearly it is on the resistance. So you need to be a little careful on gold. It has to cross above this level, which is 2028, at least for a day, and it has to sustain above this time, because last time it sustained, but it came down. But this time it has to cross and close above here, but it will face resistance on my red color and blue color. Okay, and silver, again on weekly, it took the support, and if you go to daily, it is more or less okay when compared to gold. Let's see what happens. And the last, and once again, Facebook, I've already covered, I think. Yeah. So watch out for this guy on 29th, very special. 28th is very important day, which is our last important day for our PPT based on date analysis. Let's go to PPT. Okay, so this is 1 second. Yeah, this is our last date. Something big is going to happen. First 15 minutes high and low will do the magic for tomorrow. Okay, let's watch. And I've already finished everything. I'll do it in a separate video because otherwise it will go for 30 minutes and people will not have time to read all this. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly consult your financial advisor before taking any financial decision. Thanks a lot. See you in the next video. Good night.